Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the first day of Ramadan and I'm now in Bazaar Ramadhan, where actually I live in a small town called Sarato and they have a Bazaar Ramadan, and I'll go there while waiting for my friend. I guess they already arrived. So yeah, see ya in Bazaar. Put your hands up, put your hands up.
Bagus dekat aku.
Nah, nah. Ni hau tak?
Dia punya apa nama?
Ada jak point
Terus rakam aku. Barulah nampak Sarato.
Ya, jangan. Ada nampak.
Nampak ya kan orang first person.
Ya, orang first foto situ. First time masuk bazar.
Okey, betul-betul betul. Kan apa nama nak ada ini? Kan ini.
Ambil ke baju poli. Baju sukan poli. Enggak?
Gua nak hantar minat saya dah malam itu.
Eh, apa mau tu?
Bagus kos. Aman.
Aman lah.
Aman.
Aman lah.
Kau nak apa mau?
Ya, koyo.
Nak halu beli ku yo.
Butterscotch. Kena lah aku beli.
Aku mau tu lah sikit. Lah aku sibuk tanya. Aku nak mengelak. Banyaklah empat. Aku nak mengelak beli lah.
Masih Nobi yang mana tu je? Ada sih. Ada. Ada. Ada situ saya selalu beli mak ambil. Yo, mana? Ambil tu je lah. Tu berapa? Apa tambli? 3 lah.
Sama petai, sama lacan. Mak urusan sikit. Belakang tergegar RM1.
Mana? Kami mau
Lain tak gangan tuang.
tu je lah. Ni mau ambil 6 lah. Tak berapa?
Dia pakai bak.
Yeay, orang first day poso. First day poso kat Sarato. So that's pretty much the vlog for today. I hope you enjoy my vlogs, and it's now raining outside. Thankfully I went to Bazaar Ramadan earlier, and I know the vlogs might be too short or kind of boring because I don't know what kind of content I should go for today. So since it's first of Ramadan, I decided to make a vlog where I go buying some food for iftar. I hope you enjoy my video and see you again in my next one. Bye bye!